Good morning. If you'd like to let us know who you are and where we're at.
Hi, I'm Jimmy. I'm the curator here at the Kruger Street Toy and Train Museum, located here in Wheeling, West Virginia. And we are on Kruger Street, just off of Interstate 70 on the Elm Grove Exit 5. Our building here is a historic schoolhouse built in 1906 and operated for 85 years as a schoolhouse. We acquired the building in 98 and have been here for over 20 years. We have accumulated in our private collection here over a 500,000 different items, and we usually keep a little over 100,000 items on display. Everything's from dolls and dollhouses to cars and trucks, boats, trains, games, and a little bit of everything. We also feature several operating train layouts with buttons around them, as well as slot cars and geo tracks, rocking box, and other things to keep everybody entertained.
Thank you.
Transportation of horses and buggies and carriages and tractors, boats and submarines and planes as we come through here, and helicopters. The Lewis Marks Airport down here, the International Jetport, is always one we talk about. It is based off of the old Pittsburgh International Airport that used to exist. Find them a home when they showed back up. And then we kept him here, and people have been really happy with him here. He's been here almost 6 years now. It does require a whole lot more carpet cleaning and all that good fun stuff now. And then he's only allowed in these 2 floors. For a long time he lived in my office, and we closed him off, so he's fine just hanging out in my office. If somebody does have a problem with him or anything, he gladly goes off stage.